A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Subject English Prose, Topic 3.8, Reading Time, Nani's Glasses. Nani lost her glasses and she could not find them. Nani keeps losing her glasses. Where did I keep them? She always asks. So she needs me to be her eyes, to find her own eyes. Sometimes her glasses are in the bathroom, sometimes on her bed, and some head. I looked everywhere, in all the usual places, on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed. I also looked under her favorite chair and on the dining table. No glasses, no luck. I asked her what she had done the whole day. She said, I did nothing much today. Some cooking in the kitchen and some work in the garden. Then I spent time in reading and knitting. Now I had many clues. I quickly looked around new places in the house. Aha! I found the missing glasses. The glasses were wrapped in the knitting yarn. Look and say, glasses, bathroom, cupboard, usual, favorite, knitting, kitchen, garden, wrapped, dining, missing, clues, yarn, quickly, everywhere. Listen and repeat. Lose, lost. Find, found. Say, said. Has, had. Spend, spent. Keep, kept. Wrap, wrapped. Okay? So these words lost, found, said, had, spent, kept, wrapped, these are past tense words. Okay? These words are in past tense. Give another words for knitting. Knitting means making clothes of wool by using two long needles. Clues. Information that helps one to solve or find something. Wrapped. Covered with some material. Yarn. Thread or wool used for knitting. Chapter 3.8 Nani's Glasses. Now answer the following questions. What did Nani lose? Answer. Nani lost her glasses. So, what did Nani lose? Nani lost her glasses. Question 2. Where did the boy search for the glasses? The boy searched for the glasses on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, on the bed, under her favorite chair, and on the dining table. Or you can write like the boy searched for the glasses in all the usual places like on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the head. He also looked under Nani's favorite chair and on the dining table. What did Nani do the whole day? Answer. Nani did some cooking in the kitchen, some work in the garden, spent time in reading and knitting. Or Nani did some cooking in the kitchen and some work in the garden. She then spent time in reading and knitting. Fourth, where did the boy find the glasses? Answer. The boy found the glasses wrapped in the knitting yarn. Okay, read the passage and answer the following questions. Nani lost her glasses till on her head. So you have to read the passage and you have to answer these questions. What did Nani lose? Nani lost her glasses. Complete the following. Nani keeps losing her glasses. So she needs me to be her eyes to find her own eyes. Where does Nani keep her glasses? Answer. Nani keeps her glasses in the bathroom, on her bed, and sometimes on her head. Question 5. Make sentences on glasses. The boy finally found the glasses. Angry. Nani was angry with the boy. Now, second passage, read the passage and answer the following questions. So, you read from your textbook, like from starting, I asked her till knitting yarn. So, question 1, what did Nani do the whole day? Nani did cooking, reading, knitting, and some work in the garden. Where did the boy find the glasses? The boy found the glasses wrapped in the knitting yarn. Question 3. Name 2 action words from the passage. Answer. Cooking, reading, knitting. Question 4. Join the words and make new words. See in the bracket, cup, bath, some, times, room. So answer is cupboard, bathroom, sometimes. Complete the following table. One and many. Chair, table, bed, cupboard, clue, garden, eye, places. So let's see the answers. Look here, students. One and many. Chair, chairs. One table, many tables. One bed, many beds. One cupboard, many cupboards. One clue, many clues. Garden, one garden, many gardens. One eye, many eyes. One place, many places. And students, you have to write these exercises, these question answer, complete the following, fill in the blanks. All these exercises you have to write in your English notebook. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, students.